In this video right here, man, I'm finna teach you how to change your hair texture instantly, man. You feel me? I'm finna go from coarse hair to medium hair in the blink of an eye, bro. I promise you, you do not want to miss this video, bro. And we finna get right into it right after this.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves instantly, bro, you feel me? Man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, bro, like I said, man, in the intro, bro, you feel me? No capping in the intro, no capping in my rapping, you feel me? Huh? But look, I'm finna teach you how to change your hair texture instantly, bro. I'm really looking out for my coarse hair waivers, man, cause you know I gotta represent for the coarse hair waivers, you feel me? The medium texture waivers, y'all already kinda got some, good hair, you feel me? But the coarse hair waivers, man, this really for us, bro, you feel me? I'm really putting on for us, you feel me? This how you change your hair texture without a kit, you feel me? Without messing up your hair, you feel me? So, no further ado, man, we finna jump right into it, you feel me? No kit involved in the route, no cap. Bars, you feel me? I'm killing them folks. Finna jump right into it, man. Let's get the video to 200 likes. So you know this about to be a banger, man. Come on, man. Stop playing with me, man. Let's jump right into it. Okay, YouTube, man. When you start this method, you want to start with fresh, clean hair. You feel me? I did the wash the style yesterday. So, yeah, this how my hair looking right now after the washing style. Now you want to get a little soft brush session in, man. Nothing too major. So let's get this brush session in. Oh yeah, you're gonna need a couple things. A brush, any brush that you don't mind getting dirty, you feel me? A wave cap, this a woman's stocking, you can pick this up at Walmart, you feel me? A do-rag, you know you gotta use that double compression, man. Stop playing with me. And last but not least, man, this product right here, nigga. Man, this product right here is what gonna change your hair instantly, man. The link will be down below. It's a wax. You feel me? You can see it's a wax. No chemicals in it. It got 5 oils in it, man. Come on, man. No further ado. Let's get it. I ain't gonna even hold you, bro. Let's get started. What you wanna do? Get a little dab about this mutt. Nothing major, you feel me? And start applying it to your crown area. Okay, after you do that, what you want to do, grab your brush and start spraying that product, man. And that major. Watch how my hair change right before your eyes, bro. Come on now, stop playing with me. Woo! You see that, man? Look at this, man. Whoa, my hair changed. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the back of my head. Same amount. Yeah, man, the key to this method is to make your hair look like you got a kit without using the kit, you feel me? So you see, man, hit the like button if you see my hair changing before your eyes, bro. Watch this. Whoa. Whoa. Look like a medium texture to me. I ain't gonna even do no talking. Just watch this, man. Look how laid my hair look, bro. Come on now, stop playing with me. Hit the like button. Man, If my hair didn't change right before your eyes, bro, I don't know what to say, bro, but we're gonna continue this thing. Look, man, stop playing. Silky, bro. I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm so, man, look at the difference, bro. Nappy, medium. Come on, let's continue, bro. Let's continue. And I know a lot of y'all might, man, Drizzle, you putting too much product in your head, man. Slick Rick. Look, man, look. Your hair not gonna be slick like this after you, man, y'all just watch the video, man, cause y'all always jumping to conclusion, bro. But the key is to stretch your waves to the fullest potential it can stretch, bro. You feel me? Come on, look. Man, if my hair just changed in front of you, man, right before your eyes, bro, I want, man, if you're new to my channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button all real. If you been subscribed to my channel, man, I want you to hit the like button. If you usually don't like my videos, man, you gotta hit the like button, man, this time, bro. I'm telling you, cause look, I'm really putting y'all on game, bro. Look, man, look how silky my hair look, bro. No cap. Come on, man, you can't even say on cap, and you can't say you no kid, cause you seeing it. You seeing it, bro, right now. Natural. You feel me? And then this ain't gonna flake your hair up. Your hair's not gonna flake up with this, man. That's why I like it. And I gotta put y'all up on game about it. You feel me? Okay, now that you got a nice and good session in, you feel me? Before your hair start frizzing up, you wanna go on and start getting right, you feel me? Cause that thing late right now. You see how late it is. If your hair not looking like mine is right now, man, you ain't do it right, you feel me? You ain't do it right, cause it look like you got a kid in your head, you feel me? But you wanna lay it down, and then we're gonna start going and rag up real quick, man. Just like the washing style, you don't want your hair to frizz up. I wet my wave cap, and then I throw my do-rag on, like I normally do if I did the washing style or if I was washing my hair, you feel me? So, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after I unrag. Let's get it. And one more thing, do not take your do-rag off until your hair is fully dry, you feel me? Your hair is, it gonna shrink and everything, but it gonna look like a whole different texture, I'm telling you.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, man, let's wrap up the video, man. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, you feel me, if you're gonna try the method or whatever you're gonna do, you feel me, I put it out there for you. I did not create this method, but I put it out there for you, man, for you can use it, you can utilize it, man. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, you can purchase the product I used in this video in the link below, man. You feel me? So I hope y'all give this a try. Post up the pictures, man. You can send your pictures to me on this email right here. At this email right here, man. Send your pictures to me. Get at me, you feel me? And I'm out of here, man. Let's get it.
You wanna ride my way? Now they road, I got shades.